When it comes to convertibles, I can't think of a more desirable car than the Mini. The 1.6 Cooper as well, you're going to find a hoot to drive, and yet pretty economical to run. This does drive a little bit like a go-kart, good fun, sensible running costs. And even though this is a convertible, I think Insurance Group 9, so that's pretty decent by anybody's standards. Now, this comes from 2010, and it's only covered about 12,500 miles. Cloth seats, electric windows, power-assisted steering, it's all there for you. That roof is powered as well, so it all looks very good. And if you're taking it easy on a long journey, this is going to deliver late 50s MPG. You know, we've got about 1,400 cars on our super site at Winsford at the moment, so when you come down, you might be a little bit sport for choice, but maybe this is the one that you're going to want to take home with you. Come and find out. And don't forget, if you want a Part X or if you'd like us to arrange finance, no problem. Come and have a test drive. Discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.